Hey, Mom, when I was on the papers the other day, I read that 90% of all accidents occur at home. Is that just for people or for anybody? Oh, okay, 8 lives and counting. What was your name again? Nobody asked me if I wanted to be declawed. They said you don't need your claws. You're an inside cat. What do you need your claws for? Well, they might come in handy to hold onto a slippery floor when you're trying to get something to eat. They might come in handy for that. Oh, I'm so nervous. I've never slid on a slide before. It's so high up here. Don't take my picture. It makes me even more indecisive. You know what? Take the kid's picture while I make up my mind. Will I or won't I? What the heck? Let's go for it. You're a loving cat, Schmendrick. They make fun of me because I'm a nearsighted puss. But I don't care. I'm in love with you, Ken. Leave Bobby and spend the rest of your life rolling around in the linoleum with me. I can make you happy, baby. You're not anatomically correct, are you? Oh.
I call this cat meeting to order. Is there any new business?
No.
Is there any old business?
No.
Cat meeting's adjourned.
All right.